Everyone, I am back. Excuse the wobbly camera. I got the phone off of my cradle because I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. I don't know if you remember my craft room tour from before, and this corner that looked horrendous. It still looks horrendous, but I have managed to sort out my paper stacks, and I really wanted this as a catch-up video just to show you what I've actually been up to in my craft room. So excuse the lights, but these are all my 12 by 12 paper pads and paper sheets. There's A4 along here, all A4 there, and then my 6 by 6s up there. They're not really in any particular order, but at least now I can actually flip through them and kind of see the books and pull them out easier because they were stacked on top of each other. I have sorted my laces out a bit better in there. I've got some file folders there to put my like specialist cardstock and vellum and laminate sheets and that. So those file folders were from Poundland, and I just thought that they would be great to organise them there. If you saw the wine bottle holders I got from Poundland, I did go and get some more. So my next job is to actually get my ribbons out and to sort them out as well. I still have so much to do, it's just not even funny. I have been putting things in jars as well up there, and I have also sorted out some empty jars for things. Oh, these, I wanted to show you these. Now, these are fantastic. This is a makeup caddy, and I can't remember where I got it from actually. I know that Poundland do the smaller ones, which I have. Let me just spin round a minute. Yeah, Poundland have these ones excuse me, which you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you could use these, and these are obviously £1 from Poundland, which would work in the same manner. You could put your little sticker bottles, and so anyway, I have done all that, put all my sticker bottles in this makeup caddy. So that's a really good craft hack. These makeup caddies are brilliant. I have my stamps up there. So we've done that as well. So it's just, oh my gosh, I have baskets up here that need to be filled in and sorted out. I don't know what's going on really. I think I've made more of a mess, but anyway, as you can see, all my paper is a lot tidier. And this isn't heaving anymore, but it needs tidying up. The only problem is these were shoe racks, and they're okay, but I don't know. I need to sort this whole corner out next and get a better. This all needs sorting out. It was just paper that I didn't sort out to put in there because that was kind of full up now. Look, all full up. So I can't get any more paper in there now. Don't really want it on the next shelf down because I can't reach it. So this corner is going to be the next corner that's sorted out. I have sorted out these little mini paper pads and these long paper pads, and I still have some more 6 by 6s there, but I have some more A4 card up there which could go in those file folders. And I think, I'm not sure, I think these are like A4 size as well. So those ones up there, so maybe I could get these off and these off and clear this shelf. Oh my god, I've got so much stuff. Okay, I will also be starting another series. Let me put my phone back up here. I will be starting a new series very soon. Let me just, I don't want to stop the sound and I don't have to wobble you then. Okay, right, you're back on the cradle and you can just see my hands now. I will be starting a new series which is going to be called Use It or Lose It, and I'm going to be quite ruthless in the way of if it's something I know I can use for a project coming up, or I can use at this moment, I'll keep it. If not, it's going to go in a box which will be given away. Now, some things will be too heavy to post, so I'll give them to my scrap store. But I will keep a basket of things that will go in giveaways. So as you see me sort out these things on my use it or lose it videos, they will be going in a box, and some of those things will be given as giveaways. So lots of goodies to come out. Now, I'm going to get my ribbons and I'm going to sort through and fill up my wine racks, but I won't do it on camera because it'd be a bit boring for you. But I just thought I'd give you an update on what I've been doing and how my craft room is coming along. So like I said, any tips, anything that you could give me to help me would be great, and I will give you as many tips as I can. I think these Poundland thingies are quite good, actually, especially these wine racks. I'm going to go and get my rose. I think what I love about the wine rack things is that you can just pull them forward and, you know, get to them really easy. So I'm going to fill these up with ribbons and sort that drawer out, and then I could maybe put something else in the drawers instead if I get some of these ribbons out. At least I'll start using them a bit more. And I do have that project of, you know, these. I'm going to be making some of these with my buttons and ribbons. So that would be a good use it or lose it video, actually, wouldn't it? Because we've all got buttons and things. So that's one way that I could say, yes, I can keep my buttons, I can keep my ribbons, and we'll get making some of these little tag flags. What would you call them? Banners? I don't know. They're almost like medal things. I don't know what you would call them. Pennants? No, not pennants. Oh, I do not know. But they're so cute anyway, so I will be making some of these. So sorting out my ribbons, good thing. Alright, I have another video to do later on today, which is my magazine haul, and they're craft magazines, and I show you, you know, what you get in them and projects, etc. So I will not waffle on anymore on this one. I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.